Once upon a time, how did we interact before Microsoft Office came into our lives? How did we share our ideas, educate our children, and gain new insights through data?
Well, there were some less efficient methods for word processing, calculating data, and developing presentations.
But then along came Microsoft's innovative suite of desktop products for word processing, data calculation, and creating visually appealing presentations.
Now this made the world sit up and pay attention. The landscape looked brighter, the data looked cleaner. Everyone began to work smarter with Microsoft by their side.
These innovations changed the technological landscape globally and across generations, from schools to colleges, offices to industries, from homes to home from homes.
So much so that the most popular productivity suite is now running on over 1 billion devices globally.
Microsoft and Coursera have partnered to help you master the fundamentals of 365.
Get to grips with key elements of the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint interfaces.
And if you are already comfortable with the fundamentals of these programs, take the opportunity to upskill in some of Microsoft 365's more contemporary features while demonstrating your newly honed skills with hands-on projects.
Our world is changing. With technological advances, we can work from anywhere. Empowered by the collaborative and inclusive design features of the Microsoft 365 suite of products, we can achieve great things.
Knowing how to use Microsoft Office products, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, is essential in any professional setting. Whether you want to expand your Office 365 expertise to apply for a new role, start your own business, or simply to develop a new personal skill, this program is for you.
You'll be introduced to Microsoft 365, which will help you to become familiar with the apps and services of Office.
If you are already familiar with Word's basic features, why not take your skills to the next level?
This course covers the core features of Microsoft Word, shows you how to create a basic document, and introduces you to Word's most important tools. On completion, you will be able to apply the most up-to-date techniques to produce high-quality professional documents. You will also engage with creating more sophisticated documents using tables, charts, references, and various types of illustrations.
Excel is Microsoft's powerful and easy-to-use spreadsheet program, which provides you with an extensive set of tools to organize, analyze, present, and store data. This course is intended to help you get up to speed with Excel comfortably and adeptly. You'll develop new skills in spreadsheet creation and optimized presentation, and in working with basic formulas and functions.
By the end of this course, you will be comfortable creating advanced formulas, analyzing data with functions and pivot tables, and working with visualized data in Excel.
PowerPoint allows you to use images, audio, and video to have a greater visual impact. In this course, you will become familiar with Microsoft PowerPoint's more advanced features.
You will discover how to create and present a basic presentation, add multimedia and animations, customize the PowerPoint user interface, and use collaborative tools.
Within this program, you also have the opportunity to complete an honours assignment for each course. This assignment provides you with a practical opportunity to apply and demonstrate the skills and techniques you will have developed.
While it is not mandatory to complete the honours assignments, completion will add a special honours recognition to your course certificate. This program not only helps you to build your expertise through hands-on exercises, knowledge checkpoints, and video demonstrations. It also gives you the opportunity to take the Microsoft Office Specialist Certification exams for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint.
Earning your Microsoft Office Specialist certification demonstrates to existing and potential employers that you have a good command of the features and functionality of Microsoft Office. Becoming certified is a fantastic way to validate your existing skills and gain new ones.
Communicating your ideas effectively can open new doors. This program can help you create these opportunities by empowering you with the skills to use Microsoft 365's full range of features.
The words "once upon a time" represent the start of a story.
Become a part of this changing landscape by starting your own story with Microsoft 365.
To work smarter with Microsoft Word. In this course, you'll discover the basics of Microsoft Word, alongside the other apps and services available with the Microsoft 365 cloud-based productivity tool. This course will help you to get started with basic Microsoft Word tasks, and by the end of the course, you'll be familiar with how to complete a range of complex tasks using the application. In Module 1, you'll get started with Microsoft 365 by learning how to navigate your account, explore the basics of the most used Office 365 applications, and access Microsoft 365 services. In Module 2, you'll begin using the Microsoft Word application. As part of this module, you'll navigate a document, use Word's editing tools, and proof a document using proofing tools. In Module 3, you'll move on to more complex Word tasks like formatting for text and paragraphs, adding and editing tables and cells, and you'll also learn how to manage lists. Module 4 focuses on working with graphics in Microsoft Word. As well as adding graphics and using images in a document, you'll also learn how to create and format text boxes and pull quotes, use shapes in a document, and enhance your documents using word art and complex illustrations. Module 5 looks at finalizing documents in Microsoft Word. This includes a review of accessibility features, how to set save options, controlling text flow, adding captions and references, adding hyperlinks, footnotes and endnotes, and slightly more complex tasks such as adding citations, a bibliography and a table of contents. In Module 6, you'll discover how to collaborate on documents with other team members. You'll look at how to share a document, work with comments and track changes, and perform a document review. Finally, in Module 7, you'll have the opportunity to complete an optional honours assignment for special recognition. Throughout this course, you'll learn the skills and techniques required to produce high-quality professional documents. This assignment provides you with a practical opportunity to apply those skills. You don't have to complete this assignment to obtain the course certificate. However, if you complete this and all other honours assignments, then your course certificate will include a special honours recognition. Best of luck on your journey through Microsoft Word.
Welcome. Whether you're interested in learning how to use some of the essential Microsoft 365 Office applications or preparing to earn a certification, this program covers what you'll need to achieve your goals. You'll have access to a range of resources designed to support your learning journey. Before you begin, we recommend that you are comfortable with the basics of how to use and navigate a Windows operating system, familiar with how to use a mouse, keyboard and start menu, and, if possible, experienced with operating both an internet browser and a printer system. So, if you're good to go, it's time to look at the content you will be able to access in this program. In each lesson, you have access to videos, readings, exercises, discussion prompts, practice quizzes, and graded quizzes. The videos guide you on the key features, elements, and the best practices associated with individual Microsoft Office programs. There are also several optional videos. These are not mandatory and can be skipped if you are already familiar with the material they cover. Next are the readings and exercises. Readings are articles that provide a more in-depth look at the topics you cover in the videos. They can also be an item of information in themselves. Exercises are articles that provide step-by-step instructions for performing tasks that you encounter in videos. To complete an exercise, you'll need to open the Microsoft Office program and perform the steps as outlined in the article. Each exercise guides the requirements. You can pass this course and all graded assessments without access to the downloadable version of a particular Microsoft program, and you are free to use Office for the web or another version of a Microsoft Office application. You should note that some features covered in the exercises may not be available when you use another version. As you navigate this program, remember, you're not alone on your journey. Through discussion prompts, you are encouraged to actively engage with classmates on the core topics covered in each module. Take the opportunity to be inspired or to inspire others. Each lesson also has a practice quiz. A practice quiz is a series of short questions that assess your knowledge of the topics you covered in the lesson. At the end of each module, there is also a graded quiz. A graded quiz is more like an exam. There are more questions in this graded quiz than in your practice quiz, and your answers in this case do receive a grade. After you finish and submit a quiz, you'll see your score. For some quizzes, you might also see feedback, like hints or explanations for each question. All quizzes include multiple question types. You can retake quizzes if you need to improve a score or if you did not pass the first time. When you complete a course, you'll earn a certificate that you can share with prospective employers and your professional network. In the final module of each course, you'll also have the option to complete the honours material. This is an optional honours assignment you can complete for special recognition. In these assignments, you'll have to draw upon the knowledge that you have gained throughout a course and put it into practice by applying your new skills to an assignment. You need to navigate your way through these courses and start building your skills with Microsoft 365. Have fun learning.
You might be asking yourself, what kind of careers can I pursue with the skills I'm about to gain in Microsoft 365? While you explore the Microsoft 365 Fundamentals program, you will have the opportunity to gain skills that can help you create a great resume, find a new job, or build a career. Explore some real-world scenarios and uncover some of the benefits of taking the courses in the Microsoft 365 Fundamentals program. Sanity has started in her first term of third-level education in business studies. She knows the basics of Microsoft Office from using Office applications in the past, but is self-taught and doesn't know the best practices or the full potential of each application. She wants to take her Microsoft 365 skills to the next level, to excel in her studies, but she's primarily interested in demonstrating skills that will help her to land a job when she qualifies. She feels that a Microsoft certification will look great on her profile when it comes to looking for a job. Sanity is a prime candidate for all the courses in this Microsoft 365 program. Jake has been made redundant from his job in the tourism industry. He's searching for an office job for more consistent work so that he's less reliant on the seasonal nature of tourism. He's looking to gain the fundamental skills he'll need in an office environment to start in an administrative role. This could involve inputting data into Excel documents and drafting or editing documents in Word and PowerPoint. He's also heard that a lot of companies are now using Microsoft 365 Office applications, so would like to learn more about how it works. The Microsoft 365 Fundamentals program will give him the fundamental skills and confidence to make an impression in his new role. Carlos works as a junior accountant in a finance company. He's looking to advance his career and become a senior accountant. A senior accountant in his organisation needs to make customer presentations. He's looking to improve his presentation skills through Microsoft PowerPoint. Carlos already has advanced skills in Excel, but he sees the Microsoft 365 Fundamentals program as a good way to choose the application he wants to specialise in. In this instant, he's interested in taking the PowerPoint course only. When Carlos successfully completes this course, he will receive a certificate and be able to update his resume to reflect this new skill. Ashley works in the claims department of an insurance company. Her job involves monitoring and analysing the new and repeat business generated by 3 separate sales teams. She uses Excel for this work, but has never had the opportunity to attend any training on how best to use the program. Ashley works with large blocks of numeric data compiled from the individual files sent to her by the 3 teams that she works with. She spends a lot of time manually creating this file and then generating figures from it. When she presents the results to management at the weekly meeting, it often takes her a whole day to put it in a form she feels is acceptable for them to view. Ashley feels that if she could invest time in training on Excel, it would benefit her and enable her to work more efficiently and effectively. You can adapt this program to match your job role or career aspirations and improve your skills. Like Sanity, you might be a prime candidate for all the courses in this Microsoft 365 program. On the other hand, you may only want to focus on a specific course to improve your productivity or advance your career. This program gives you the opportunity and flexibility you need to improve your skills and achieve a Microsoft certification. Best of luck on your journey through Microsoft 365.